MIG Welders can be used for a range of projects including auto body work, hobby welding projects, maintaining equipment, contract work, and many other things. MIG welding is often chosen as a preferred welding method as it produces good quality welds, it's easy to learn, and does not cost a lot of money. The Hobart Handler 210 has the typical great quality Hobart built with durable parts that stand the test of time. The 210 is more suited to auto body repair and construction than the 190 and 140, and it welds up to 3 or 8 inch. It's also a flexible unit with the capacity to weld off 115V and 230V at under $1,000. It's a lot cheaper than the Ironman 240 and is a wise choice if you're looking for a welder that packs real power but isn't the price of that heavy industrial welders. If you're looking for the all-round MIG package for power, versatility, quality, and value for money, the Hobart 210 is our top pick. The Lincoln Power MIG 210 is the ultimate MIG welder for versatility. It comes with the capability to perform MIG, stick, TIG, and flux core welding at both 120V and 240V. This is perfect if you're looking to buy a MIG welder and are considering buying a TIG or stick welder as well. Buying a multi-process welder like the Power MIG 210 can save you a lot of money rather than buying separate machines. Lincoln are the market leaders when it comes to manufacturing quality, and the Power MIG 210 is top of the range to build quality and weld quality. The digital display on the front of the machine lets you easily key in your variables to get you set up in no time at all with an easy-to-use user interface. The Hobart Handler 140 is an excellent choice for beginner welders, which is why it's probably the most popular welder on the market. This thing is solidly built and is a step above many of the other 140A welders. The arc runs smooth and produces great results. It's suitable for a range of general repair tasks and projects like trailer frames, auto body repair, and anything up to 1/4 inch thick. If you're just getting into welding, you can't go wrong with this little machine. What's better is that it's an absolute steal at under $500. Forney has built a simple, mid-range MIG welder that's solid and reliable. It has some good power for the price but doesn't have as good a duty cycle as the Hobart 190 or Lincoln 180. Forney isn't one of the big 3 brands, but this machine is still solidly built and I'd feel comfortable buying this. If you want a basic 220V welder without any special features, this is a good choice. The Everlast Powery 140E is really lightweight due to its IGD inverter technology. There's no welding chart on the inside, which is a useful feature that more MIG welders have. The duty cycle is much better than other 110V welders, and it performs 60% at 90A at just 28 pounds. It's perfect for contractors or hobby welders who want something they can use every now and then and carry it about. If you're looking for a good value welder that can thicker metal than the Lincoln Handy MIG, the Loto's MIG 140 is a solid choice that welds up to 1/4 inch. It's a lot cheaper than the big-name 140A welders, but it is still a reliable welder. One of their selling points is their 10-minute setup time and simple control panel with digital display, which is aimed to help beginner welders. The Forney Easy Weld Flux Core Welder is an amazing option for beginners who are looking to weld without gas. This is a flux core only machine, so you won't get the same weld quality as MIG, but you can save a lot of money with an extremely portable machine. You can weld up to 1/4 plate steel and it weighs just 19 pounds, so you won't need to buy a cart to put it on. This is definitely one to look at if you're thinking of welding for the first time and have a budget under $300.